nice more good. You wanna come out? You can come outside. You don't have to be in there. It's funny how you can get here at 3 o'clock. And then if you come a little late, that's what happens. It's only 6 o'clock right now. Exactly. Go in. Go in. Go on. Oh boy. Come out. You come out. Come on. Come out or stand. Stand. Okay. Do it, that thing. Oh yeah. Freaking huskies. Wolf. We got a bundle and a couple logs left. And it's only, man, what time is it? 7:15. Feels like it's 10:30. There's our little dookie. Where's our little dookie? There he is. Hi, buddy. Right, we're gonna black it out. Since we got those people, it's not that they can see us being here, but we'll black it out. Right out here. Like a glove. This is the limited edition and the first edition of Try to Have Adventures gear. And this is at the end of the month, that's it. And I don't think anybody bought anything. But anyways, I bought myself a black one. American Freedom Tour. Try to Have Adventures. And it fits me for right now, so I understand if people don't want to buy it. But this is just the beginning of what I want to do with this brand. And then I got another brand called What brand. So it'll be coming out. And we're gonna have hats, winter hats, shirts, sweatshirts, shorts, pants, doggy stuff. But we'll put little dookie stuff in it. His designs, that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of merchandise and particular things coming out. Plus there's other advertisements going to come out here soon from other companies around the country that want to advertise on my channel. So I would appreciate that. If anybody else wants to, go ahead and DM me. It's just good shit for me. And this thing was, I felt something crawling up my leg. Thinking it was like an ant. Maybe it was sitting in an ant pile. Look at this thing. What is it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 leg guy. Anybody in Florida know what this is? Dude, don't go. Oh, look, see that? Look at all the ants too. Alright guys, we're gonna cook up this food I got. So I went to Publix, got myself some stuffed something. Let's see what we got here. Bacon wrapped pork tenderloin. Bacon wrapped tenderloin. It's not your ideal, but oh no, that's actually kind of perfect. We're gonna slow cook it. I am gonna get one of my Campground Adventures shirts on right now. I'm gonna put this on. What about this one, guys? Campground Adventures non-hoodie sweatshirt. This is a double X too. Comfy. That's for sure. It's big as heck. So I bought this one and it ended up being too small. So instead of taking it back, that's what I did. It's pretty comfy for a double X. It's big, but I can probably dry it and it'll be good. Alright, so this is what we got going on right now. Dookie, you stay here. Hey, Dookie. Come on. Bud, you seen a rabbit, you smell rabbits, you smell squirrels, you smell raccoons. Then you got two dogs over there. I understand. But you can understand too, though, we could get in trouble. Okay? Good boy. That's a good boy. Slow cooking. Oh, the ants. Ouch. Alright guys, well this is the last of my wood. 3 bundles later. These couple of these blankets, which Duke already looks like he already grabbed them. Some comfy shirts on. Some comfy shorts on. talk to you in a minute about it. Thanks guys for watching this episode. At this, I want to say Akeisha, Louisa State Park here in Manola, close to Manola, or north of Orlando, or south of Ocala, or east of Tampa, east of Lakeland, east of Plant City. Whatever you want to call it. Either way. So, thanks for watching this episode. Remember, stay tuned, because 2024 is going to get hot. We're getting so close to the end. Thanks for watching. American Freedom Tour 2023. Fired up. Come along, would you?